Tetay, forever grateful, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're gonna make homemade moist chocolate, and it's gonna be my first time, so I hope guys this one will work out good. So let's start.
Ang unang ginawa ko is mineasure ko ang size ng aking baking pan. I have to use a regular pan, but you can use the edible one. And if you're using not edible, you have to cut the marks of the pan kasi hindi to nakakain. After ko na-cut ang circle ng baking paper, lalagay ko lang siya sa loob ng baking pan, and then I have to scrub my baking pan with butter, cream batter, room temperature cream batter. So just all over para yung cake natin later hindi siya mag-stick sa pan natin, at easily lang siya matatanggal. And the next step is I have to put some chocolate powder. I use chocolate powder instead of cocoa powder. Just a little, and then spread ko lang siya sa loob hanggang ma-fully cover yung loob ng baking pan ko. Just like that. And then tanggalin niyo lang yung extra. Itapon niyo, or it's either gawin yung chocolate drinks niyo. So like that lang. Then just set aside the baking pan with chocolate cover, and then let's go to the next procedure. Let's put 2 cups of all-purpose flour doon sa mixing bowl natin. And 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar, or you can make it more. It depends on how sweet your chocolate cake you want it to be. And 3/4 cup of cocoa too. You can use the best quality of cocoa because it said it differs the taste on the quality of cocoa that you used. And then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix all the dry ingredients. Then add 2 eggs. One cup of fresh milk. 1 cup of warm water. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. And then, paghaluin natin unti-unti, let's mix it slowly before we're gonna mix it using our electric hand mixer. You can use the one that is not electric, but it takes time, but it's okay because I'm sure the output will be fine too. We don't need to overbeat it. We just need to mix all the ingredients. We need to incorporate all the ingredients together para sure ang ating kinalabasan, you can use your spatula para completely ma-mix yung flour natin. And then, let's pour into our baking pan. Ayan. Since nilagay ko lang siya lahat sa isang baking pan, I have to bake it at around 40 minutes. Now, for the frosting of our chocolate moist cake, we are gonna use the room temperature butter, maybe around 160 grams, like that, and half a cup of cream cheese, or 1 cup, it's fine. Then let's beat it together. Then add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder at i-beat uli hanggang sa maghalo-halo na ang tatlong ingredients. And then 1 cup of confectionery sugar, or the icing sugar, or the powdered sugar. And then you can add 1/4 cup of fresh milk. Then let's beat our frosting until it gets thick and thicker. And there you go, guys, and let's set it aside until our cake is fully cooled down. I have the cake already. I just need for it to cool down before we're gonna do the frosting. I'm just gonna cut the top layer of it para completely flat yung cake natin. I divided the cake into two. As you can see, the middle of it is a little bit moisty, in which it turns out to be a best cake that I've tasted. Char lang. Then I spread the frosting that we made earlier. So ayan, in the middle. And continue lang sa pag-spread ng ating frosting in the middle. And then after that, you have to put the second layer of cake, and then spread the frosting outside the cake all over hanggang mag-cover totally yung ating cake, ating moist chocolate cake. Yan. As you can see, it's not that really easy for me because this is my first time, doing this frosting. Trust me, guys, even if it's your first time, you're gonna love what you are working if you do it within your heart. With love. Work with love. As you can see, the presentation is not that beautiful, but let's taste it, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm drooling.
Oh, that's really good for a first timer, guys. So for those who want to do your first time moist chocolate cake, you can do it now.